My name is Rachita Mathur, currently working as a legal intern at LexClick. So today I'll be discussing on a topic registration and non-registration of a partnership firm. So first of all, we will be looking at what is partnership. So partnership, the ingredients of partnership are that there must exist an agreement between the partners. Second is the motive is to earn the profit and share them between the partners. Further, an agreement must be to carry out the business either jointly or by any of them acting on the behalf of all. For example, A and B buy 100 tons of oil which they agree to sell by their joint account. Thus, this forms the partnership between A and B, and this will be considered as the partners. Further, as per section 58, which talks about the procedure of the registration of a partnership firm. So, under this, first of all, we will be looking at making an application to the registrar. That is, any of its partner can send an application along with the prescribed fee and copy of the partnership deed to the registrar of that area in which any place of business is proposed to be situated or is situated. Such a statement shall be signed by all its partners. Such a statement should contain name of the firm, principal place of the business, or any other place where the business is carried on, or the duration of the partnership firm, name and address of all the partners of a firm, the date on which each partner has joined the firm. For verification, each partner who has signed the statement need to be verified. Further, the name of the firm should not contain any name resembling the name of the crown, emperor, king, royal emperors, or any other word implying or expressing the sanctions of government. Further, as per section 59, which states that when the registrar is satisfied that the conditions of section 58 are compelled with them, he shall record an entry of the statement in a register and call the register of the firm shall file the statement. Further, for non-registration of partnership firm in India, it is compulsory to register the partnership and no penalty is being imposed for non-registration. But if we talk about English law, it is compulsory to register the partnership firm, and if it is not registered, then the penalty is imposed. For non-registration which leads to certain disabilities in accordance with section 69 of the Act. Now there are some effect of non-registration which has been provided under section 69 of the Act. The first is, no suit can be instituted in civil court by the firm or any other co-partner against the third party. Further, in case of breach of contract by the third party, the suit can't be brought in any civil suit. The suit must be filed by the one person whose name is registered as a partner in a register of a firm. Further, no partner can claim a relief of set-off. Further, any action which is brought out by the third party against the firm having a value of ₹100 can't be set off by the firm or any of its partner. An aggrieved person can't sue against the firm or other partner. Generally, no action can be brought against the partner or the firm, but there's an exception to it, like in a case when the firm is dissolved. Now, this will bring a suit for the realization of a share in a firm's property. Further, in case of non-registration, we do not have the effect of the following rights. The first is, a third party can bring a suit against the firm. Further, a right of partner or a firm to claim a relief or to set off the claim for the value which does not exceed ₹100. Further, the power of the official liquidator or the official assignee to release the property of insolvent partners and brings a legal action. Further, the partner's right to claim for the realization of share in case of dissolution of firm. That's all for the day. Thank you.